We're excited. We've been dying to see it. For families with special needs kids, it just means a lot. You know, and I just know that this is going to make a huge difference for Hudson. Sunshine on a Rainy Day said that they would like to do a room for Hudson, and of course that is just was so exciting.
For this makeover, you know, it's really important for us to meet with the therapist that he goes to every day to really incorporate those features into the room. So not only the therapy side, but also the visual. He's very into farm animals and the farm look, so it really captures that feel.
We've almost completed 40 home renovations to date. You know, once you do it once, you can't stop. Tonight is an overwhelming feeling, and it's very rewarding for everybody that's involved.
Sunshine on a Rainy Day said they were going to do it. I couldn't believe it. It wasn't something I would have expected.
Okay, thank you.
He's just so excited, and so he's going to be through the moon. I can't wait for him to see it.
It's your surprise, Hudson! Yay! Oh my God! All
Like the little sign.
I just can't even believe that in 3 to 4 weeks that they created this masterpiece.
Every time I turn around, it's something I didn't notice when I first walked in the room. It's unbelievable. It's awesome.
Thank